Good morning, beautiful people. It's Sherry Moulton back with another video. Now, today, this time of year is hectic for me, so I'm just gonna try and do a couple videos so you guys have something to watch. We're closing our trailer. I have to bring stuff from the trailer back home. We have to organize. So anyways, this is the time of year for me that I'm a little overwhelmed because it's me that does everything. So anyways, so I am doing a bling bling today, but before we start that, I am going to put a seal of the Modge Podge clear sealant on top because I didn't do that yet and people were asking. So I thought I would do that at the beginning, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you what both look like. So with further ado, I'll bring you down. There we go. All right, so it's nothing extravagant. This is the one that I did with the Modge Podge, or Modge Podge. So I was just experimenting with for my class. So, and I figured they could seal it with this because the paint is not spray paint. Because when you do use spray paint, it is already sealed. Because most people just throw that stuff outside or whatever. They don't put a clear coat on top of it because it's already got a sealant into the paint. It's called 2-in-1, right? So anyways, with further ado, I will do this quickly. And I'm not wearing a mask. Don't judge me, please. Just even. Done. So I'm going to let that dry. That was pretty easy. But I don't know if you can see, but that shine has gone. So hopefully when it dries, it will come back. So I'm going to set that up here. So again, another experimental today. I am using, in the other video, I had mentioned that I wanted to try, let me get you back a little bit. I moved you forward here. Whoops. There, so we'll get y'all in. I have this product. It is called liquid glass. They call it pouring medium. This one's white, but I have clear and I've put it in a squeeze bottle. It's made locally here from where I am. It's made in Kingston, Ontario. And I took a class with them and I was asking the gentleman that makes it if it was resin. He said, no, it's not a resin. It's not a two-part thing. But when you're using it, that you should treat it as a resin. So I took a class and it was a pour class, and this is the results. So it's kind of like a sealant all in kind of thing. It's solid. You don't need to put a coat on it. And like I said, it kind of acts a little bit like resin, and you don't have all of the fumes. You don't have all that good stuff. So I thought we would try this today on a 16 by 20 canvas. I've already pre-spray painted it. I had it kicking around, so I thought, oh, well, there you go. That was a bonus. I'm going to use my decorative Ashland decorative filler, and I'm going to use my Martha Stewart silver confetti glitter. I just have to open it up because this stuff is just so beautiful. And I also bought this at Michael's, and it came as a kit. I have the green one here. It came as a kit. It's called Sparkle Berry. So there's a green, and then this was the blues, teal, blue, white. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go out of my, not comfort zone, but we're gonna go away from what I normally do, and we're just gonna freeform and do some doodles. with the liquid glass. I'm not going to do swipes. I'm not going to do nothing. So we're just going to try this and see and see if it works. I'll make sure there's a hole in here. Where to start? All right. I don't know what to do. Here, we're going to start in the corner. And I don't know. This might not turn out. It might be the crappiest thing going, but I just thought, yeah, give it a try. And then that way I know if this stuff actually works. I don't know what to put. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Just try this. I might make it thicker. Because I'm not going to swipe it out. I kind of want to do something here and here, but you know what? I'm going to leave it. Simplicity. Sometimes simple is the best. So I'm going to go not so heavy. Like when I did my the Live, Love, Laugh, I went like completely heavy over top the word. So I'm just going to go lightly so I can get the different colors of glitter. So just, you can wear gloves with this if you want. I'm a rebel, as you've all noticed, because I do have to take pieces of little glass on my fingers once in a blue moon. But I like the idea that I can feel what I'm putting in. And what do they say? As you say to your kids, do as I say, not as I do. It is pouring here today. Today's actually Wednesday, but this will be going up on probably Sunday. So, yeah, it's exciting. It's sad. Our trailer's closing. This is my favorite time of year because there's nobody in the park. All the kids, not that I don't like kids, but it's kind of nice. Like, you know, everyone's gone back to school, to work, and you're kind of there by yourself, which is kind of nice. All right, I did say I was going light, but I am. I'm just looking to see where there's little spots in there. And a little more over here. I think because it's spreading, it looks empty, because I just did. I just did over here. So I have purchased everything. I am actually on the same size. I'm working it out in my brain to see if I can get it to work. A Christmas tree. I've had many people ask me if I could do a Christmas tree. So I purchased, whoops, sorry, I'm just opening up these here. There's little, I didn't realize that, or I would have opened it before. I purchased a little wee set of lights. I'm going to do the tree in resin, and put my glass and glitter and do it green, and so I'm excited. So I might wait for a couple weeks till I actually get back home before I do that. So sorry guys, I didn't realize this was this way, so bear with me. One more, and I think we're good. Ooh, that one's pretty fine, pretty fine. All right, let's get Martha down first, because I like Martha and she'll take over. So we'll get, and this is nice, just silver on silver. See, now people were telling me to use a squeeze bottle when I was trying to write the words, but you see it did the same thing as it was doing in the squeeze bottle, like when I was trying to pour it. It's a matter of when you use the resin, you have to let it cure a little bit so that it doesn't move on you. So it's going to move whether I have it in a squeeze bottle or whether it's going to be poured out with just my hands or in a cup. Just a little bit more here. Let me just, woo. Now, let me see, I don't think it's going to come out the little, nope, we gotta do the big hole. All right. We gotta do this gently. So this is, I don't know what the color it is, but it's a chunky, darker blue. So we're just gonna come high and just sprinkle. And make sure you get it over the liquid glass. I hope everyone liked my start to finish Dutch pour. I was getting quite a few questions and I just thought, hey, why not just start right from the beginning? And this will dry, well, I'm told it will dry clear, but everything I've done, I've put paint in it, so like I said, it's all experimental. I don't know. I'm not going to put the stars in, because to me, I don't know, that's a little bit. Now these look the same to me. Let me just look here. These two almost look the same. Oh, no. Oh, yes. They're the same. Why would they put two the same in the... Oh, no, this one's got green in it. All right, so we're going to go with the fine bluish. I just thought that was a neat little package. They were on reduced. So I got all of them for $4, which was kind of cool. All right, this is like almost dust. I'm going to kind of go a little heavier with this one. Just to fill in some of the holes. I think. Decisions. Do I put the stars? I just think, what the hey? You know what? You live once. Let's do it. We'll just do it up high, so some of them will catch on, some of them won't. And again, with this glitter, when you brush it off, I kind of keep them in separate containers. By rights, I probably could have used some of the, because I tend to do a lot of silver. Because I have a container right here that has the silver and the glass and the glitter. And I like to keep these because the bags, I'll just put them in the containers. So, yeah, so we're gonna let that dry. I don't think I want to put anything else on it. So let that dry, and then we'll come back tomorrow and I will show you both. I'll show you the Modge Podge sealant on top of the other one. And then I'll show you this one. I just have something dumb, something fun, something different. So with that being said, I will see you guys in a bit. Hey, we're back. I'm gonna shake off. I've got my puppy pad upside down so I can gather all of the broken glass and glitter. Well, I'm gonna say this worked because it's only been about, I'm gonna say maybe 5 hours since I did it. So that's pretty good. I'm just gonna give it another shake. That turned out pretty good. I'm impressed. It's there. Like I said, it's still a little bit damp, like a damp. It still needs to cure a little bit more, but I was able to shake off. And it's just something different. So anyways, that's that. So this is, again, like I said, it is using the liquid glass, which is kind of cool. It's an alternative to resin. It's kind of like resin, but it's not a two-part. You don't need that. Now I'm leaning over just to grab the other one, and it's dried, and it's still shiny. I'm going to bring you up just a little bit so you can see it a bit better. It is, what is with my camera? Oh, okay, it's all the way out. Anyways, it has, I'm going to bring up even a little bit more. There we go. It has lost the shine. That's why I don't like coating over top. So maybe, I don't know. It's still shiny, but it's not as shiny as it was before. So anyway, so that is the coat with the Modge Podge sealant, clear acrylic sealer, one coat. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed my little experiments, and I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell to get notifications of my next video. And have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye.